Struggling to create engaging product videos because you're not an editor? What if I told you that you could make a professional-looking video ad in just minutes with zero editing skills? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm demystifying the process of using AI to transform any Amazon product link into a stunning video. Stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have learned how to access and start a new AI video project in FlexClip. The simple steps to let the AI generate your first draft video. Beginner-friendly tips to customize your video. How to easily export and download your final creation. This is a perfect tool for beginners. So let's dive right in. Section 1. What is FlexClip AI Product URL to video? First off, what exactly is this tool? The FlexClip AI Product URL to video generator is like your personal video assistant. You simply give it a link to a product, like from Amazon, and it works its magic. It automatically analyzes the product page, pulls the key images and text, and assembles everything into a complete draft video for you. Your main job? Just to customize it and make it your own. It seriously is that easy. Section 2. Starting your project and pasting the URL. Ready to create your first video? Let's get started. Step 1. Head to FlexClip.com in your browser. The link is available in the description below. If you're new to this site, click Sign Up in the top right corner to quickly create a free account. If you already have one, just log in. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. You'll see a section called AI Tools. Go ahead and click that. On the AI Tools page, select AI Product URL to video. You'll see a prominent input field waiting for your link. Open a new tab and go to your favorite e-commerce site, like Amazon. Find a product you love, copy the URL from the address bar, and then come back to FlexClip and paste that link right into the field. A quick pro tip for the best results. Choose a product page that has several high-quality images and a clear description. The more the AI has to work with, the better your first draft will be. Section 3. Letting the AI generate your draft. Step 2 is where the fun begins. After you've pasted your link, click the Analyze URL button. Now, just sit back for a moment while the AI gets to work. It's scanning the page, summarizing the text, and grabbing the best visuals. Once it's done, you'll see a screen where you can review the auto-generated text. You can click on any text box to edit the product name or description. This is great for adding your own personal touch or a key selling point. You can also add or delete product media here if there's a specific image you don't like. When you're happy, click Next. On the following screen, you'll select your video's aspect ratio. For YouTube, I recommend 16:9. For TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Shorts, choose 9:16. Next, you'll see voice settings. Here, you can select the language, voice, and style for the AI voiceover. I'm going to select English, United States. Choose the voice Jenny, and keep the style on general with normal speed and pitch. When everything looks good, click the Generate button. In a minute or two, your complete draft video will be ready. Section 4. Customizing and polishing your video. Now for Step 3, making this video truly yours. This is the customization stage, and it's where you can really let your creativity shine. The AI gives you a great starting point, but you have full control. Not happy with a stock image? No problem. Just click on the scene you want to change, then click Replace Media. You can upload your own images or videos, or browse the FlexClip built-in stock library to find something more relevant. Tip: when using the stock library, try using specific keywords related to your product's lifestyle or use case. For example, if you're selling a coffee mug, search for morning routine or home office to find more atmospheric shots. Adjusting audio, you can fine-tune the volume of the background music and the AI voiceover separately to get the perfect balance. Click on the subtitles to change their position, size, font, and even the background color to make sure they're easy to read. Smooth transitions. For professional flow, add transitions between scenes. Just click the little transition icon between two scenes on the timeline and pick an effect you like. Fade and dissolve are always safe elegant choices. Add your branding. Use the text tool to add your logo. Or a final call to action slide, like shop now or limited time offer. This is a crucial step for driving sales. Section 5. Exporting and sharing your masterpiece. Once you're happy with your video, it's time for the final step, exporting. Simply click the big export button in the top right corner. You can usually just stick with the default export settings. They work great. You'll then choose to either export with watermark for the free plan, or remove watermark if you're on a paid annual or monthly subscription plan. FlexClip will process your video, and when it's done, a video player will load where you can watch your creation. A copy should automatically download to your computer. If you don't see it, just check your downloads folder, or click the download video button on that same page. And that's it. You've just created a professional product video in minutes. Conclusion and recap. Let's do a quick recap of what you've accomplished today. You learned how to access the AI product URL to video tool and paste your product link. You saw how the AI generates a complete draft video for you to customize. I gave you some key tips on customizing your media, audio, and text to make the video your own. And finally, you learned how to export and download your finished video. You now have an incredible skill to save time, expand your reach, and grow your audience. So what are you waiting for? Go paste that first URL and create something amazing. If this was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips that transform your content creation. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.